Hello everybody. I have been promising you in previous videos that I'm going to show you the sketches that I've got in black color. So they are identical, Ultrago, Foamies, and they are in black. They also have a strap like this, and they're identical to these ones that I wear at home. So these ones I wear at home, but these ones I wear outdoors. I wear them outside. I chose them to be black in color because I thought they look so nice, so stylish. And you know, when you go outside, you walk goodness knows where, and of course things like this, colors like black, suit any weather, any time, any wind, anything really. Even if you want to go on the beach, this would be suitable. So this one's I wear at home, as you can see, is with pink accent here, and the sole is white, has got this band over here to be used as a sandal. So I wear this at home with pleasure, and these ones I wear outdoors. I wear them outside. So they're absolutely new. I bought them a couple of months back, and they still look as new as you could ever imagine. And I think if you want to buy these, you can buy them with a guarantee. Like, you can buy them with confidence, obviously, and you can buy them obviously with confidence. You know that you can get a lot of wear of it, you can get a lot of comfort with them, and I think they look stylish. Look at these. I wear size 9 in UK in British measurements, which is 38-39, which is my foot size, and which is, I think, is one of the most popular sizes you can find on the market today, and possibly the more manufactured size ever, because it's obviously like a guarantee to sell when almost everybody has the same size as I do, which is a standard size. So I'm going to show you in my next videos another sketches that I bought for myself, and some that I got as a present, and I'll do a try on haul with them as well. So stay tuned, more to come, more from me to come. So thank you very much for watching me, and hopefully you loved my sketches, the Ultrago Foamies. Not just Justin Bieber wears them, I do too. So thank you very much. Bye.